Hello everyone and welcome to the quick guide on how you can split the storage of your current drive into different other drives or the portions. So we just went to the file explorer and over here you can see we have only drive C with 454 GB of RAM and available of 380 GB. So what we are going to do, we are going to split this to another drive of a 250 GB. So without further ado, let's just start it. So I've opened my file explorer, and over here I just hover over this PC and right click it, show more options. Over here we got this manage. So we will tap on it and it will open up to a different window. So over here on the storage, we got this disk management and we'll just click over here. Let me just make it the full screen. So over here we got Windows C and TFS and this is 454 GB. So we'll just click over here, right click, and we will shrink its volume. So once we have done it, it's going to take a little bit time, and this time may vary depending upon different specifications of your system. So just be patient. It isn't stuck or it isn't, or anything wrong with it. So now we got this pop-up window over here just saying that this is the amount which is available. So this is the total and this is the size which is available. So what we are going to do is we're going to spread it into 250 GB. So it roughly goes around 256,000 MB. And it's going to shrink it into 209 MBs. Okay, so we'll just go with 250,000 MB. So we'll just select the shrink option and then it's still working. Okay, so we have got this unallocated GB. So what we're going to do over here is just like we just tap on the Windows C. Over here we'll just select this unallocated, right click, and we'll consider it as a new simple volume. So it just open up this installation wizard which will say this is the new simple volume, and we'll just go with the next, and this is the volume. So we just don't interfere with this one. This one is pre-calculated, so we just move to the next, and we can name this anything else. Of course we have C already there, so C is taken, and apart from this we can select any of the alphabets. So I'm just going to go with P. Okay, and we go next, and this is the, of course, the NTFS file. We don't want the exFAT, so we'll just let the pre-default presetted options, the default options, and we just go to the next, and we will finish it. So this we also got this pop-up that new volume piece are available, and this one is reflecting over here that it is NTFS and 244 GB, and this one is now reduced to 210 GB, and we can further check it from here. So you can see that now, apart from Windows C, we have this new volume and it got 244 GB. So previously we had over here around 300 and something GB. So we extracted that to over this new drive, and that's how we created this new one. And the same goes to how you will devalue or submerge it again to the Windows. So what we are going to do over here, it's just we go with the same options, show more options, manage, and over here in the disk management, uh, let me just make the screen bigger. So yeah, over here we just right click it, and then we would, if we will set to delete volume, that it would again go to its unallocated position, and then we will select over here and we will have the option of extend the volume that would be visible at that time. So we will extend the volume by capturing that unallocated position on this Windows, and then again we have that whole SSD capacity of whatever the storage you have again back on the Windows C. So that's a quick short tutorial. Please let me know if you want to further know anything about these things, and keep following. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.